Mathematics. In the 10th class mathematics, first chapter is real numbers. In the chapter of the real numbers, there is one more concept is there, that is logarithms. In the logarithm chapter, now we will learn about the some of the problems depending upon the exercise 1.5. So in the exercise 1.5, second problem. So in the second problem is in this exercise second problem. In the second problem is write the following as log n and find their values. The following we have to write as the log n and we have to write their values. First one is log 2 plus log 5. Already we know the formula. That formula is log x plus log y equal to log xy. So that is why it is converting as a single product. Log 2 into 5 because it is in the form of log x plus log y, that equal to log xy. Log 2 into 5. Log 2 5 is 10. Log 10 base 10. Log 10 base 10 value already we know that it is 1. How the 1 comes? Now we will learn. Let log 10 base 10 value is equal to x. It is converted into the exponents form. 10 power x equal to 10. 10 power x equal 10 is equal 10 power 1. So as the bases are equal, the exponents must be equal. So x equal to 1. Therefore, log 10 base 10 value is equal to 1. Fourth one is to see here. It is, if we see here clearly, it is 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2. It is a minus in this plus. Already log x plus log y equal to log xy. Log x, see if we see here, already we know the formula, that is log a power m equal to m log a. So m log a can also be written as log a power m. It is in the m log a form. 2 will come into the 3 square. Log 3 square minus log 2 cube. So that equal to log 3 square can be written as log 9 minus log 2 cube can be written as log 8. That equal to, it is in the form of log a minus log b. Log a minus log b formula is or log x minus log y equal to log x by y. It is in the form of log x minus log y. That equal to log 9 by 8. So depending upon this, we will see one more that is in this exercise. Next problem is third Roman. In this third Roman, evaluate each of the following in the terms of the x and y, where x equal to log 3 base 2 and y equal to log 5 base 2. See how to read this question. X equal to log 3 base 2 and y equal to log 5 base 2. First one. Log 15 base 2 is given in the question. 15 can also be written as 3 5 is 15. That equal to log 3 into 5 base 2. It is in the form of log x into y. Log x into y formula already we know that log x plus log y. Log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2. Log 3 base 2 value is x is as given. Log 5 base 2 as given as y. That is why instead of log 3 base 2 we are substituting x, plus instead of log 5 base 2 we are substituting y. Next, second one is log 7.5 base 2. That equal to log 7.5 can be converted into the rational form. It is become as the log 75 base 10. So it is in the form of x by y. That is why log x minus log y, that is log 75 minus log 10 base 2 as it is we are writing. That equal to 75 can also be written as, I am doing LCM, 5 square into 3 minus 10 can be written as 5 into 2. That equal to log 5 square, it is into, that is why plus log 3 minus log 5 minus log 2. Why we are not writing here minus instead of plus? Because the symbol of the minus is for the whole. That is why plus minus into plus will become minus. That is why we are writing here log 2 base 2. This is already we know that log a power m equal to m log a. So that is why this power will comes into the coefficient of the log, that is 2 log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. See 2 log 5 base 2 minus, this is same terms, similar terms we are writing together, minus log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2. Already we know that log 2 base 2 value is 1. 2 log 5 base 2 minus log 5 base 2, 2 minus 1 will become as only 1. Log 5 base 2 plus log 3 base 2 minus 1. Log 5 base 2 value is given as, log 5 base 2 value is given as y, that is why we are writing y, plus log 3 base 2 value given as x minus 1, so that equal to x plus y minus 1. So depending upon this we will learn the problems on logarithms. We will solve the logarithms problems very easily by doing in this method. Thank you.